When installing drywall hard lid ceilings in larger areas, Armstrong 6-foot drywall cross tees will save you time, material, and labor. With the 6-foot drywall cross tee, item number XL8965, your main tee spacing is 6 feet on center, while your cross tee spacing can still be on 16 or 24-inch on center spacing. This configuration eliminates 1/3 of your hanger wires to structure and 1/3 of your main runners. First, install your perimeter utility angles. Here we will use Armstrong Locking Angle Mold, or LAM, which has perimeter locking tabs for the tees on 8-inch on-center spacing. Attach your hangers to structure. When preparing to come off the wall with your first main runner, cut to the center of the 8-inch on-center route hole so your cross tees will line up and maintain the proper on-center spacings. Your first run of mains is simply 6 feet off the parallel running wall. Either hang main runners by 12-gauge wire or hang uptight to structure with Armstrong uptight clips, which allow for an uptight installation or as far as 4.5 inches from structure. Laser leveling is made easy with either form of attachment. For the 6-foot tee system, attachment to mains should be on 48-inch centers, or in seismic areas on 32-inch centers to meet ASTM 754, which calls for attachment every 16 square feet. Here, final leveling adjustments are being made to a finished drywall grid assembly that was hung with 12-gauge hanger wire. Six-foot drywall cross tees simply stab into place. Measuring along the main runner is eliminated with 8-inch on-center route hole spacing. Always stab your tee to the right of the opposing 6-foot cross tee. Stab until you hear an audible click, which announces the positive tee-to-tee lock. Here we are installing our cross tees on 24-inch centers. 6-foot drywall cross tees can be installed on 16 or 24-inch centers in non-seismic areas. If your 6-foot drywall cross tees are on 24-inch centers, your system will carry 3.2 pounds per square foot. If your 6-foot drywall cross tees are on 16-inch center spacing, the system will carry 4.6 pounds per square foot. Mid-span support along the tee is not needed with the 6-foot drywall cross tee. In seismic installations, 6-foot drywall cross tees should be installed on 16-inch centers, again with main beam attachment to structure on 32-inch center spacing along the main runner. It's now time to install the perimeters. Since we came off the opposite wall with a full-size 6-foot cross tee, we are not concerned with equal-sized borders. After all, the suspension system is covered up with drywall, so the aesthetics of equally sized opposing border tees are not needed as with acoustical systems. Simply cut your perimeter tees to size and install. There you have it, a finished main tee and 6-foot cross tee drywall framing installation that meets the requirements set forth in ASTM C645, the specification for non-structural steel framing members. All Armstrong drywall framing components meet the specification, and all components meet the requirement for .018 metal thickness called for in the specification. If you would like to use the 6-foot drywall cross tee on your next project, speak with your Armstrong installation specialist or your local Armstrong representative. Thank you for viewing this video.